This video is to help you know how to use your calculator to simplify a fraction easily. This is going to come in really handy when we are looking at slope. So when you build your slope, let's say we used a graph, we figured out the slope, the rise was 8, the run was -4. So we have 8 over -4. But if you look at the answer choices for the slope, then none of those say 8 over -4. So what we need to do is we need to simplify our fraction, and our calculator can help us do that. So on our calculator, we are going to want to get a fraction. There's two ways we can do that. One of them is hitting the alpha button and then hit the X button next to it. That's a little shortcut way to get your fraction. Then we're going to type 8, and you have to use the arrows to change to the different parts of the fraction. -4. Remember, the negative button is down by the enter button. Don't use the minus button. Rather, we need to use the negative button when we're indicating a negative. Then hit enter, and you'll see it simplified it for you. This was an improper fraction, meaning it was going to be greater than one whole, and this actually worked out to be an integer, -2. So then I would know, oh, B, my slope is equal to -2. Really simple when we use the calculator to simplify for us. I'm going to show you another way that you can make a fraction. You can hit the alpha button again and then hit the y equals button. And number 1 is going to give you a numerator and a denominator. So that's another way to get a fraction. Either one of those methods will work. Let's try a different slope. Let's say my slope that I got was -2 over 4. If I hit enter, -2 over 4, then that simplifies it to -1/2. So if you have a fraction that's not an improper fraction, it will even take that fraction and it will simplify it for you. So that's another quick and easy way to simplify a fraction and to find your slope in your answer choices. After you get your rise and your run, use the calculator, simplify it, and then there you go with your simplified slope. It's that easy. So hopefully you can use your calculator now to help you find the slope correctly.